Craving fresh, creamy yogurt and soft cheese at home? The Lakeland Multi-Yogurt and Soft Cheese Maker lets you craft plain or Greek-style yogurt in 8 hours with handy 1.8 and 1.6-liter containers, plus a strainer and simple, guided recipes. Compact to tuck away and easy to use, it brings restaurant quality to your kitchen. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Unlock the joy of fresh yogurt at home with the Easier Red Yogurt Maker. This clever 1 kilogram jar with a black lid and temperature strip whips up 4 delicious sachets. Natural, strawberry, vanilla and Greek style with coconut bits, so you can tailor every flavor. Made without artificial ingredients, it delivers live cultures, calcium and protein in gluten-free vegetarian treat. 3 simple steps and you're done. You awake to creamy in minutes. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Discover the simple joy of homemade yogurt with the Easier Black Yogurt Maker. A sleek, compact design with no moving parts. It sits neatly on your shelf while you craft fresh yogurt in minutes of effort. Just add sachet contents to the jar, top up with cool water, seal with boiling water around, and wait 8 to 12 hours for creamy, calcium-rich yogurt with live cultures. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Delightfully simple and utterly practical, the Easier Red Yogurt Maker lets you craft fresh yogurt at home in just 8 to 12 hours with no moving parts to clog or clean. Slip in the jar, add the sachet contents with cool water, top up with boiling water, and wait while you sleep or work. It's calcium-rich, protein-packed, gluten-free and vegetarian with compact, stylish red design. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet a stainless steel yogurt maker that fits neatly on your shelf and wakes you to thick homemade yogurt without any electronic fuss. It includes a 1-quart glass jar and a 42-page recipe book with over 12 dairy-free options, from coconut to almond yogurt, plus personalized milks for keto, GAPS or vegan diets. No timers, no overeating, just natural flavors and a plastic-free footprint. You've got the purchase in the description and the pinned comment. Indulge in cafe-quality yogurt at home with the Joronicum compact digital yogurt maker, boasting generous 1.5 liter ceramic pot for family-sized batches. Set the timer from 1 to 24 hours. Enjoy naturally creamy Greek yogurt or soft cheese and switch flavors with optional extra pots. Lightweight, energy efficient at 20 watts and easy to clean, it's the simple route to healthier breakfasts and wholesome snacks. You've got the link in the description and the pinned comment. Create creamy, custom yogurts at home with the 1.6-liter automatic yogurt maker, featuring a sturdy 304 stainless steel inner pot and 9 jars to feed the whole family. With precise, adjustable temperature and time, you can wake up to perfectly set yogurt or experiment with natto and rice wine for an extra culinary twist. The LED display keeps operations simple, and the transparent lid lets you watch the magic unfold. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment.